Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, I welcome you in the social class as we are learning our 15th lesson coming of the British, and we have seen about how the British came to the India as they have came for the trade and business, and they established the East India Company in 1600. And after the Battle of Plassey, when they win the Battle of Plassey, they completely the rule on India. And so what happened, angry Indians, they have opposed and they started revolt. So that revolt is treated as a first war of independence, but we have lost that war, we didn't win. But why we have not win? Because of we are not having unity in the rulers, and this revolt was not spread throughout the India, so that's why we have lost that. So how this revolt bring the changes, till here we have seen how they have bring the changes. So now we will see about the Indian National Congress. See, Indian National Congress (INC) was formed in 1885. Okay, and the purpose of Indian National Congress is to educate Indians and involve in governing the country. So the first meeting of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay. Now we will call them as a Mumbai. Okay. So the Indian National Congress did not initially try, means it is not, they did not try for independence, but instead draw the attention, because they draw the attention of the British to the problem faced by the Indians. So the Indian National Congress believed that the British will see that the demands were fair and would thus introduce reforms in the country. So the requests of the Indian National Congress were ignored by the British. So through the efforts, various leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Lala Lajpat Rai, they demand for the reforms become as a mass movement at that time. So in 1905, what happened in 1905? The British divided the state of Bengal into two halves. What happened in 1905? The British, they divided Bengal states into two halves. So this was done to divide and create enmity between Hindus and Muslims. They divide state into two parts to create the enmity between Hindus and the Muslims of the state. So in response, leaders like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, okay, and Bipin Chandra Pal, they encouraged the common people to protest against this division. So the effort of Indian National Congress and the mass movements in the states forced the British to stop the partition of Bengal. Partition, Partition, partition of Bengal in 1911. Okay. Now coming to the Swadesh and boycott movement. The Swadesh, SWADESHI, Swadesh and boycott, BOYCOTT, boycott movements. Okay, MOVEMENTS. So the mass movement that stopped the partition of Bengal, it consists many protests, strikes, boycott of British manufacturing. They boycott the British products they are producing manufacturing, and they also these action continued even later. But in fact, the movement that began in Bengal spread the other parts of the country also. So that movement is known as the Swadeshi and boycott movements. Goods made in Britain were boycotted and they were burnt. People were persuaded to buy Swadeshi, means made in India goods, instead of using a Britain goods. And a large number of women and students also took part in the Swadeshi movement, and the British tried to stop the movement by bridling, beating, shootings and imprisonment. In spite of this, also the movement only grew bigger and bigger. So the British finally promised to start some reforms by the beginning of World War, a war involving almost all the countries of the world in 1914, and ended their promises. So the British now demanded that Indians should help in the war and hinted that Indian demands would be considered only after the war. If they lost the war, then only the war will be demanded. Okay, will be considered. They thought that. So these are the movement, students. Once again we will see here. See, as we saw that European traders, British came as a traders, and they settled, like they came from the sea to land, and they started ruling India. They established East India Company in 1600 and Battle of Plassey in 1757 they win, and they started controlling over all India. And because of their unfairness, our Indian peoples become anger and they started revolting. So revolt of 1857 was started. So this revolt of 1857 is also known as the first war of independence. So it was started from Meerut, and in the north and the central area many rulers, many kings have taken part, but it was not spread over all India, so it was not win. If we have not ended, it was end of the revolt, but this revolt bring up many changes in the nationalism. So after that, Indian National Congress was made and we have started speaking. We have seen this Swadeshi movement and that all. So students, I hope you have understood this lesson. So like imprisonment, shootings, beatings, Swadeshi, boycott, partitions, these are all the hard words, practice that hard words. Thank you.